If they can get you to believe that dinosaurs roamed the earth 65 million years ago, then they can get you to believe that everything the Bible says is not true. And if they can get you to believe that pi is transcendent, then which means that it can't be the product of the square root or a square, then they can hide the true value of pi from you. Even though the heights inside the 2-inch diameter circle, the height at 30 degrees is equal to the square root of 1, the height at 45 degrees is equal to the square root of 2, the height at 60 degrees is equal to the square root of 3, and the height at 90 degrees, the diameter, is equal to the square root of 4. Now I'm going to show you the 1-inch circumference circle and also the 2-inch diameter circle with the 1-inch radius, and how the squares interact with 0.1 repeating squared. A 1-inch radius squared divided by 0.1 repeating squared will equal 81, a whole number. At 60 degrees, this number right here, which is equal to the square root of 0.75 squared, divided by 0. repeating 1 squared, equals 60.75. Why they don't teach you the 1-inch circumference circle is because they don't want you to realize the diameter of that circle is the reciprocal of pi. 1 divided by pi would be the diameter, right? And it's the reciprocal of it. Now we're going to look at the measurements in the true value of pi. The height, the diameter, is equal to 0.32075 149,552. If you square that and divide it by 0.1 repeating squared, it will equal 8.3 repeating. That's 1/12. With the real true value of pi at 60 degrees, it's 0.27 repeating. You square that number and divide it by 0.1 repeating squared, and you get 6.25. When you use their false balance pi diameter and square it and divide it by 0.1 repeating squared, you see that you get 8.207,015,875,005, a number that don't make sense. Then the height in their circle at 60 degrees is 0.2756644477715. Squared divided by 0.1 repeating squared, you get 6.152619, a number that don't make sense. If you take the 81 from the 1-inch diameter and the 8.33 from the 1-inch circumference and divide it, you'll see it equals 9.72, and the square root of 9.72 is